Yo, stuck staring at a blank screen, dreaming of launching a digital product, but drowning in tech headaches? What if you could skip the grind and launch your first course or ebook in weeks without crying into your coffee? Stick around because I'm spilling the beans on GPTizerr, and it's not what you think. What's good, fam? I'm Kamal from testadapts.com, your go-to guy for sniffing out the best tools in the online biz jungle. I've been slinging affiliate marketing for 6 years, pulling in six figures with SEO and video magic. Today, I'm diving into GPTizerr, a game changer for coaches, affiliates, and creators who want to launch their first digital product without needing a PhD in tech or a NASA-level budget. I'll break down what it is, how it works, and why it's got me hyped, plus some juicy bonuses you won't find anywhere else. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got exclusive bonuses to supercharge your GPTizerr journey, like my custom AI content hacks and a traffic booster guide. Grab them through my link in the description, but don't sleep, cause the launch discount's ticking like a time bomb. So what's GPTizerr? It's a step-by-step training program by Chris Ramirez that shows you how to create, package, and launch your first digital product, like a course, ebook, or toolkit, using AI tools like ChatGPT. This is for coaches, affiliates, or content creators who've got passion but no clue where to start. It's not about coding or waiting months for organic traffic. It's about getting your offer live and selling fast, even if you're starting from zero. Here's how GPTizerr gets you from what now to cha-ching in 3 dead simple steps. Nail your idea. GPTizerr walks you through picking a profitable product idea that matches your skills. No more staring at a blank screen like it's a bad first date. Create with AI. Use AI to whip up your course or guide faster than you can say procrastination. It's like having a robot assistant who doesn't steal your snacks. Launch like a pro. List your product on platforms like WarriorPlus with a beginner-friendly process. No tech meltdowns. No hosting NASA-level servers. Just click, publish, profit. Why is GPTizerr worth your time? Here's the real juice. No tech overwhelm. Even if you think tech is a 4-letter word, the training breaks it down so simply, your grandma could launch an ebook. Speed to market. Go from idea to sales in weeks, not months, skipping the slow organic grind. Organic traffic hacks. Build a buyer list without blowing cash on ads. Confidence boost. Stop doubting yourself. Tizerr's system makes launching feel inevitable, not impossible. Community support. Get feedback in a private AI creator group, so you're not shouting into the void. Plus, it's backed by a 365-day money-back guarantee, so you got a full year to test it risk-free. Let's talk money. Tizerr's front end is just $10 during this launch, cheaper than a fancy coffee. Compare that to platforms like Teachable or Thinkific, where you're shelling out $29 to $99 a month just to host your course. Or hiring a developer. That's $1,000 plus for a single site. Tizerr's one-time price gives you the full system. Creation, launch, traffic for less than a pizza night. Even with upsells, it's a steal compared to recurring subscriptions or months of trial and error.
You've got the passion, but the process feels overwhelming. Let's be honest. Creating your first product is exciting, but also intimidating. Here's how it usually plays out. You sit down, determined to start, but you're immediately hit with questions. What should my product be about? How much content should I include? What if it's not good enough? You start researching successful creators in your niche for inspiration, but instead of getting ideas, you feel overwhelmed by everything they've already accomplished. Days turn into weeks, and despite your best intentions, the blank screen is still staring back at you. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. You're not struggling because you lack ideas or passion. You're struggling because you don't have a system, a way to organize your ideas and turn them into a clear, actionable plan. Without that, product creation feels like trying to put together a puzzle with no picture on the box. But what happens when you stay in this cycle? Let's talk about the impact, not just on your business, but on your mindset. Your confidence takes a hit. Every unfinished project becomes a reminder of what you haven't accomplished. You start to doubt yourself, wondering if you're cut out for this after all. Opportunities slip through your fingers. While you're stuck overthinking, Others in your industry are gaining visibility, making sales, and building trust with their audience. People who could have been your customers don't even know you exist. Time keeps moving, but your goals don't. The longer you wait, the more your goals start to feel like distant dreams instead of achievable milestones. And every time you put it off, it gets harder to restart. The real cost? It's not just about the money or time lost. It's about the confidence and progress you're leaving on the table. But here's the good news. You don't have to stay stuck. What if launching your product wasn't just possible, but inevitable? That's where this training comes in. It's not just another course. It's a practical, action-oriented guide designed to give you results. Here's what you'll learn step by step. Clarify your big idea. Learn how to take your passions and insights and turn them into a focused, in-demand product topic. Not sure if your idea will resonate with your audience? I'll show you how to validate it before you even create it. Simplify the creation process. Instead of overcomplicating things, you'll learn how to create your product in manageable steps without sacrificing quality. Whether it's an ebook, course, or toolkit, I'll help you package it in a way that feels valuable and professional. Master the tech without the headaches. I'll walk you through using platforms like WarriorPlus so you can confidently list and promote your product. Even if tech isn't your strong suit, you'll have a clear, stress-free process for uploading and launching. Create with purpose, launch with confidence. You'll learn how to position your product so it stands out, grabs attention, and connects with your ideal audience. And when it's time to launch, you'll have everything you need to hit publish with confidence, not fear. By the end, you won't just have a product idea, you'll have a completed, launch-ready product and the tools to market it effectively. Why this process works. The game changer. Here's what makes this different. No fluff. This isn't about endless theory. It's about giving you practical, real-world steps that lead to results. Step-by-step guidance. You won't be left wondering what to do next. I'll walk you through the process, from concept to launch. Designed for first-timers. Whether you've tried before and felt stuck, or you're starting from scratch, this training is tailored to meet you where you are. Transformation, the future you. Imagine this. Your first product is live, and you're receiving messages from customers thanking you for your work. You've built momentum, and your confidence grows with every sale you make. Instead of feeling stuck, you're already thinking about your next product idea because now you know you can do it. This isn't just about launching a product, it's about transforming your approach to business and growth. Purchase today. Let's make it happen. You don't need another perfect idea or more time to think about it. You need a proven path forward, one that removes the guesswork and empowers you to take action. Are you ready to go from stuck to launched? Click the Pay Now button and get instant access to your step-by-step training. Your future customers are waiting for you. Let's build something amazing together.
GPTizerr's funnel has upsells to level up your game. OTO 1, GDoc profits, $17. Use free Google Docs to pre-sell affiliate offers. Perfect if you want quick affiliate cash without a website. OTO 2, FB affiliate influencer 3.0, $47. Build authority on Facebook for affiliate sales. Grab this if you're active on FB groups or pages. OTO 3, no hassle X leads method, $37. Simple lead generation on X. Ideal for busy folks who want automated list building. OTO 4, massive engagement method, $67. Boost social media engagement for traffic. Get this if you're ready to scale visibility. OTO 5, DWI coaching, $97/month. Hands-on help to launch and scale. For those who want Chris Ramirez in their corner. Start with the front end. Add OEOs if they fit your goals. I tested GPTizerr myself, and let me tell you, I whipped up a lead magnet in under a day using their AI frameworks. Normally, I'd spend a week overthinking it. The community feedback helped me tweak my launch, and I got my first sale notification in 2 weeks. My bonus pack? It's got my exact AI prompts and traffic hacks to make your launch even smoother. Links below. GPTizerr isn't for everyone. If you're expecting overnight millions without effort, or you want to host NASA-level webinars, look elsewhere. This is for action takers who will follow the system and put in the work. It's not a magic button, it's a roadmap. Imagine this. Your first product is live, customers are buzzing and your phone's pinging with sales notifications. That's not a pipe dream. That's what GPTizerr can do if you take action. Don't let another day pass, stuck in the slow lane. Grab GPTizerr now, before the launch discount vanishes like my coffee at 9 a.m. Click the link below, get my bonuses, and let's launch your dream together. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your biggest hurdle launching a product? I read every one. Grab GPTizerr and my bonuses in the description, and I'll see you crushing it online. Peace out. Don't let your cat launch your product before you do.